Let's talk about the letter B.
B.
We call it a tricky letter because it can look like this letter, D.
D.
Their shapes are the same, just these round parts here go different ways. So here's a little trick to help you remember the difference. Take your left hand and make a thumbs up sign. It's the hand that looks like this. Which way is your thumb pointing? That's right, it's pointing up. Notice the shape of your hand looks just like a lowercase letter B, with the stem pointing up. Remember our key word for B?
B.
Bird. Look again at your hand with the thumb pointed up. Imagine a little bird sitting on your hand. It takes off and flies high up, up into the sky. So when you're not sure what sound the letter makes, take your thumbs up hand and look at the shape. Does it match the shape of the letter, with the round part going the same way? If so, it makes the sound
B.
Bird. Now how about this letter? Does it match the shape of your thumbs up hand? Nah, the round part is pointing the other way. That means this letter must make the other sound D. So that's the trick for tricky letter B.